How to use mini spy AirPies, invisible AirPies, skin color version, and Bluetooth with inductor necklace. It's very simple. This kind of device is very simple to use. First, what you have to do is to put a charge. You can use any micro USB cable. You can put at your laptop, computer, or any power line adapter for charge your phone. Uh, please please be careful how to insert the connector inside the Bluetooth to check the right position, to insert in the right position. Okay, like this. So when I put a charge, a red light starting, you have to keep the charge until the red is off. The charging time depends how much empty is the battery for the Bluetooth and the power of your charger. Usual 3 or 4 hour need to be enough to full charge the devices. You can put from afternoon and late afternoon, and you can remove from the charging in the morning until to go to where you want to use. But be sure the red light is off. So this is the first step. I forget to tell you, if you put a charge and the light not starting, the red light not starting, my advice is to wait a little bit, because if the battery is completely empty, the charging process can start a little more harder. So you need to wait a little bit. So wait around 5 or 10 minutes, and only after, my advice is to change the USB power line and the charging cable, the micro USB cable. And these two this advice can for sure solve this kind of problem. The second step is to pair your Bluetooth with your phone. Keep in mind, you have to reset the Bluetooth first time when you want to use with a new phone. The Bluetooth must be resetted. This is because the Bluetooth, once you connect it with the first phone, the Bluetooth connection is invisible, is hidden, and the new phone cannot find. So after you charge and for the first use, try to reset the devices. How to reset is very simple. First, be sure the device is off. Okay, and you must start to turn on, and when the blue light starting, not remove the finger. You have to press a little bit more until okay, I think I keep too much and he shoot down. So now he's shoot down and I want to turn on. I press and I keep to press, and when light starting, I not release, I keep a little bit more, and blue light and red light start flashing. Okay, this means the Bluetooth is resetted and is ready to pair with any phone. In this situation, so now all phone can see the Bluetooth connection. So I will go to Bluetooth. It's not important which one kind of phone you want to use. Only what you have to do is to go to Bluetooth, enable, okay, and search new devices. This is the name, GBT01. You will connect, and after connection is made, the light is off. So now only this phone can see the connection. If I get another phone and I will search, the Bluetooth connection cannot find. This is very usual function, because if someone he want to search if a Bluetooth connection is available in the time when you want to use in the room, cannot find. So next time when you want to use Bluetooth, only what you have to do is to turn on, and when a blue light starting, release, not keep more, release immediately your finger, okay, for not reset. And the Bluetooth is starting, and he tried to connect with searching your last connection, last phone. So you know have to reset each time when you want to use. Okay, so after that, if you make the connection, if you pair the Bluetooth devices with your phone, you have to put a battery inside the AirPies. Try to use a new battery each time when you want to use the devices. The battery for the Bluetooth is recharging. You have around between 4 and 6 hours, 7 hours, sorry, the battery lifetime. But this if your helper he stay in conversation, in call with you all time. If close the call, the autonomy is around, the battery lifetime is around 300 hours. So your helper, if can save the battery by calling you only, he need to communicate with you. For the AirPies, the battery lifetime is around between 5 and 7 hours, and you have to replace after this. You have to replace with a new battery. Be sure you put battery right in the AirPies. How to put? This is the right position. Okay. The battery have two faces. One face have some words, and second one have a cycle. Okay, you have to put with the words inside the cover and the cycle in up position. And after that you put the AirPies, screw in the back on the front a little bit to be sure you find the screw in the right position, and after that screw and not apply big force. When you arrive to the finish, not apply big force because you can remove the screw and you can damage the AirPies. This is all what you have to do. Keep in mind, from the moment what you put the battery start to consumption, and you have around 7 hours. So try to put the battery until you want to use. Not put with a long time before, not put from your home. It's very important to clean before you put the AirPies inside your air. Clean very good, because if you have a yellow wax, the yellow wax is sticky and can damage the AirPies. So it's very important step this. Because the AirPies have a very small speaker inside, have a very small membrane, and if the yellow wax enter inside the AirPies, is sticky and can block the membrane to make a vibration. So in this case you will hear very low level, okay, and the quality can be worse. So try to clean very good. This is a very important step. Put AirPies inside your air. Keep in mind, when you put the AirPies, you must hear a small noise like this kind of small. This kind of noise is normal. Don't worry. If not hear anymore, this means the AirPies is broken, so you cannot hear nothing. Try to not test the AirPies in the area where you have, for example, if you test the AirPies inside your car and engine is start, you can hear some noise, but it's not regular noise. It's not is a big noise. So try to not test the AirPies in your car, or maybe nearby electrical engines when running. So usual not be nearby electrical devices. With your computer it's fine, because computer not create noises, it's okay. But usual electrical engine can create noises and can hear inside the AirPies. Okay, so I think this is all. You have some special function on this device. For example, if someone call you, not forget to set the silent, your phone on the silent profile, for not ringing outside, okay, when you use, to not hear nothing. Okay, so for example, if someone call you, your phone, if you set on silent profile, he not ring, so cannot be hear nothing. But in your ear, you can hear a small beep. It's very small, but for sure you will hear. And in this case, you know someone call you, and if you press once times on this button, the phone will answer to your caller, to your helper. If you press again, if you are in the conversation with someone, and if you press another one, short press, the phone he close the conversation. And if you press two times very quickly, like this, the phone from where he automatically call the last one number you called from the dial list before. If you have a dual SIM phone, not forget to select the default number, default SIM card for make a call, because in my case is selected to asking me each time, to asking me which one SIM card I want to use. So if you have a dual SIM, not forget to select default to call from number one or number two. And when you press two times, the phone automatically call and start, and he not asking, like in my case, which one SIM to use. Keep in mind another important things, you cannot use with this device, you cannot use magnetic AirPods. If you have a magnetic AirPods, you cannot hear nothing with this device. This device work only with skin color AirPods. Um, Try to not let the volume to the maximum. This is because the first of all, the quality is not so good if you set the volume to the maximum. If you make test from home, and if you set a volume, here is remind stored the volume what you set, so you know you have to set all time the volume. And second one, the level of the sound can be too high, and can be hear outside some noise from your ear, so it's not good in this case. So don't worry, but you have to make some test from home and set the volume exactly to be enough to hear okay in your ear, but from not hear outside from your ear. It's not, maybe you will think it's hard to use, but don't worry, it's not big deal. But you need to make a little bit practice before you want to use, not buy it and go from the beginning for the first time use when you want to use. This is a good advice for you.